The Getting Started a Radiotherapy session is all about learning a little bit more about what radiotherapy is. We've done a video in partnership with Maggie's of the department, so patients get to see the treatment being delivered. Then what I do is go through a presentation on side effects, so patients get to know what to expect, side effects, how to manage those side effects, what they can do to look after themselves. The therapies department come and do a presentation on what they've got available for patients. So hopefully we cover quite a bit for patients to understand what might happen to them and who's there to support them through their radiotherapy. We run the sessions the third Monday of the month at the Maggie Centre, 10 till 12. Anyone who is due to start radiotherapy can attend, and their family and friends are more than welcome.